Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Okay, so we'll be reviewing these two precious sort of twins today. They both are S15 Silvia Super Silhouette series, and they both have this 23 number edged on them. Sort of similar, but still different. Let's unpack. Okay, so we'll start with this little box here. Let's go through the box. Let's tear it apart. Okay, so it's a signature white S15 Super Silhouette, and it's a brand collaboration with Liberty Walk and Colette, and a very well known name in MiniGT world, Advan. It's 1054 unit number. The licensing in the back, Liberty City, Liberty Walk branding. Okay, let's take it out. The black tires contrasted quite well actually. I think white and black is the ultimate combination. It gives a classic twist, but it stands out. The black rims really complement the car quite well. Like they stand out. If you see this white body and the black tires, the rim is black, but it still stands out for the whole car. I'll just focus it here. Right. We've got this Yokohama branding too. Okay, let's start with the basic definition of this car design. It's the same as what we have previously reviewed, the S15 with a white body in the back portion, in the front portion. The white stance gives it a more muscular look. The same like structures below the rear end with spoiler. It's a small spoiler. On the side we have this multiple brandings, but the ones which stand out the most would be the Liberty Walk, our own Advan. You can read here it's Blast and Tone. Beautifully engraved LVWK design on the spoiler. We have this Japanese tire brand Yokohama etched on the top of this car. I really like this font of LB Works. It stands out. It gives it a medieval sort of look, right? Tone and Yokohama branding in the front, protruding part. The right side of this car we see the same branding and 23 number edged on this car. Nothing much, simple at its best, but still a drifting beast. There's one more car in Nissan, MiniGT and Nissan collaboration. This is Nissan LV R34 with the same livery. You can see here. We'll review it later, but just showing the similarities between the two cars. Almost similar, but still slightly different. We'll see later on. These are perfect twins, I will say. These are perfect twins. Yeah, you can see slight difference in the back portion, the tail portion, and this part. Yeah, you can see some curvature in this front white body part, and the back part has some reduction. But anyhow, we'll review it later. Okay, now we come to the second part. We have a similar car, but it's slightly different with a patch of yellow and some more branding, right? Let's open it up. This would be my first blister opening. I hope I slice it well. You know, I like to keep the box art intact. So I think this would be an apt way of cutting this blister. I hope I've cut it right. Ta-da! It's not a clean cut, but I've managed it well. Come on, come on, come on. Don't fight with me. Damn, yes. Okay, first I need to take out the box, then the car. Oops. Yes. First I'll show you the box. LB Super Silhouette Nissan S15 number 23. This is called 2022 Goodwood Festival of Speed. This would be a serial number 8618 in production. Standard licensing from Nissan. LBWK branding. Let's go. Here it is, the twin with a twist. Okay, how are we feeling? It's that yellow strip gives it a sort of spicy look. The same black rims shining well, still giving a good contrast to this car. Feels heavy, good build. No complaints about that with MiniGT. Okay, so look at the branding. We have this 23 number again etched. It's printed straight as against slightly tilted 23 in the previous model. Okay, the same design with a number of brands and a streak of lightning yellow. We have a few prominent brands: Real-Light, Liquimoly, T1 or Tone, 8. It's called ST, I suppose. ST in a lot of many brands. Real-Light, Top Eagle. Okay. We have this LB Tokyo etched here. Looking from the front, looks too good. I mean, too good means it looks classy, muscular, and has a good stance. If you see the real car, I mean, you will be impressed with the stance it provides. MiniGT has done a great work in designing this car. It's like a spaceship, like it looks like a spaceship from the front. Okay, you see a plethora of those brands in a singular line. Formula Drift Japan. Here's the top view. You can again see the wide body angle of this car. I mean, I don't get tired looking at this beautiful piece. Like, the designing of this car has been done meticulously, specifically for this drifting domain. I mean, who would have thought a classic car like S15 would be used for, drifting? It's a fad for drifting. It's one of the signature cars now. The same fin-like structures you can see in the back portion. this out. Equimoli branding in the back. Asia Corporation Group. That's it. Let's keep both the cars side by side. Just zoom out. Okay, let's keep the twins side by side. Let's see the differences in both of them. Yes. Okay. First difference in the black and white front fender part. We see the similarities 23 number edged on the sides and the front of these cars. This specifically looks as a Liberty Walk and Collide and Athlete Group collaboration. This one is specifically for drifting. I'm guessing, but you can comment down. So this is a real race car, while this would be a signature, like what I can say, model car. Do tell in the comments which one you liked, although they both are similar in some sense, but they are different in another sense. Do put your thoughts in the comments and let me know. Thank you.